Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we are excited to show you how to turn your broken pots into beautiful mini or miniature garden. This creative project is perfect for adding a touch of charm to your home or garden, and it's a great way to recycle and repurpose broken items. Materials you'll need: broken pots of any size, potting soil, small plants or succulents, pebbles or small stones, miniature garden accessories, these are optional, gardening gloves, trowel or small shovel, watering can or spray bottle. Now step by step instructions. First, gather all your materials. Select broken pots of various sizes and shapes, as these will add character to your mini garden. Make sure to handle the broken edges carefully to avoid any cuts. If needed, use sandpaper to smooth out any sharp edges. Start by placing a layer of pebbles or small stones at the bottom of the pot. This will help with drainage and prevent water from pooling at the bottom. Next, fill the pot with potting soil, leaving some space at the top for your plants. Arrange the broken pieces of the pot to create different levels and sections within your mini garden. You can stack pieces to form small terraces or use larger shelves to create walls and partitions. This will give your garden a unique and layered look. Now it's time to plant your small plants or succulents. Carefully remove the plants from their original containers and gently loosen the roots. Place them in the soil, arranging them in a way that complement the shape and layout of the broken pot. Succulents are a great choice because they are low maintenance and come in various shapes and colors. Add more soil around the plants, making sure they are securely in place. You can also add more pebbles or small stones around the plants for added texture and decoration. And if you have any miniature garden accessories like tiny benches, figurines, or fairy houses, you can place them into your mini garden. After arranging everything, give your mini garden a light watering. Use a watering can or spray bottle. Be careful not to overwater, especially if you are using succulents. Place your newly created mini garden in a spot where it can get adequate sunlight, such as a windowsill or a well lit corner of your garden. Enjoy your beautiful mini garden. This project not only breathes new life into broken pots but also add a charming and personalized touch to your home or garden. With a little creativity and care, you have created a lovely miniature world that will bring joy and beauty to any space. Subscribe DIY Creations for more inspiring upcoming videos. Happy gardening!